Somaliland held celebrations in the capital Hargeisa to mark its 28th year of independence. Somaliland President Maxay extended an olive branch to Somalia but ruled out reunification. Somaliland declared independence from Somalia back in 1991, but it is yet to receive legal international recognition. Sarah Kimani filed this report.
A sea of red, white and green filled the Independence Square as thousands of Somalilanders marched past the dais in jubilation. It's close to 3 decades since Somaliland broke away from Somalia, and this day holds a special place in their history books.
We are so touched because we've seen that the Somaliland is growing.
Today, our army, our security forces, our people are united. We are celebrating very much.
In a show of might and nationhood, the military parade then followed. Close to 3 decades since Somaliland declared independence, its status remains in limbo. At the Independence Square, that seemed to be put aside. It was time to celebrate.
Other diplomatic recognitions will always depend about how Somaliland perform its economy, its social, its military, its knowledge base. The rest of it will come. That one I have no problem.
Few countries, the international community, continue to snub Independence Day celebrations here in Somaliland. But the breakaway nation is not giving up its resolve to seek international recognition. Somaliland was left in ruins after the civil war that ended in the 1980s. Citizens, however, managed to reconstruct without international community's help. The breakaway state is now riding on that success to lobby its neighbors for recognition.
And we are here to urge the international community. This is the high time to recognize the Republic of Somaliland.
President Maxay reached out to Somalia, urging that the two countries work together. He was, however, clear that reunification with Somalia, which has refused to recognize Somaliland's independence, is off the table. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Hargeisa, Somaliland.